I left the instructions up here just to remember that we are deciding about order, we're deciding about repetition, and we're deciding kind of what type of counting scenario it is, and then finding the total number from there. In C, we need to choose 3 shirts, and we have 6 potential choices. Now, does order matter? I think it's pretty clear that order doesn't matter. If you go up to the cashier and you'd say, I'd like to buy the blue shirt, the red shirt, and the black shirt, does it really matter? Or can you say, hey, I want the black shirt, the red, and the blue? It's pretty obvious that if you buy blue, red, black, or you buy black, red, blue, it's the exact same thing. So order does not matter here. Is repetition allowed? Let's go ahead and say no. I actually do think I should have made the instructions a little more clear. We have 6 choices and we need to choose 3. So we are not going to buy 3 blue shirts. There's 1 blue, 1 red, 1 black, and maybe even 1 green, 1 white, and we'll go with 1 plaid. Right? So those are our choices. It could have been more clear. Let's assume this is a no repetition situation, because really what I want to make sure we understand is this is a combination situation. We have 6 and we need to find combinations of 3. So this is 6 combination 3, or choose 6 of 3. Now there's 2 different ways to write out the symbol, 6 choose 3 or 6 choose 3. These are 2 different notations for that. We have a formula for this. It's 6 factorial divided by 3 factorial, and then 6 minus 3 factorial. I think this one we actually worked out in a previous video, but let's just go ahead and work through it again. This is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 over 3, 2, 1. And then 6 minus 3 is 3. So this is also 3, 2, 1. That's the simplified version of 6 minus 3 factorial. We have some common factors. Oh no, I don't think we did this one. We have 6 times 5, which is 30, times 4, which is 120. And then we have 3, 2, 1, that's 6. So there are 20 different ways that we can purchase 3 shirts, right? Here's one, here's another one. Nope, sorry, that's not another one. Order doesn't matter. But here's one. There's 20 different ways to take our 6 shirt colors and choose 3 to purchase. So this is a combination situation. D, we have the total possible arrangements of 4 letters from the word harmony. Does order matter? This is a yes situation. Right? An arrangement means that the order matters. So let's just say we were going to use O, N, Y, and then this R. R, O, N, Y would be a different arrangement of letters from N, O, R, Y. So order matters. This arrangement and this arrangement are not the same. So the order is significant. Is repetition allowed? Well, I think if we look, I don't believe that any letter in the word harmony appears more than once. So you cannot take the letters in the word harmony and rearrange them H, 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 Y. That is certainly not possible. So we have no repetition. We have order matters. So this is actually within the family of permutations. This is specifically, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then we need to pick 4. We can write that out as 7 factorial over 7 minus 4 factorial. If you're in my class, we don't do this as often. We kind of skip to one of the upcoming steps. But it's still worth it to know that symbol. This is 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then 7 minus 4 is 3, so this is 3, 2, 1. We have a lot of common factors, and what we're just left with is 7, 6, 5, 4. We actually know from a previous problem that this is 120. So we're just going to multiply 7 times 120. And we should wind up with 840. Let me double check, but I am 100% sure that, oh, no. is. It's 840. I'm sorry about that. I had a moment where I thought that we had multiplied these wrong in the previous problem. We're totally fine. 654 is 120. So this is 120 times 7. So this ends up being 840. Most important thing for D is recognizing order matters when you're arranging letters. And certainly we have no repetition. Every letter is only used once. So this falls under the category of permutations. This is the setup using factorial. Really what we just have to do is, hey, we have 4 letters, 7 choices, 6 choices, 5 choices, 4 choices, and multiply those together for 840. All right, so that's it for question 3. Question 3, there's a bunch of setup questions about order and repetition and what type of problem it is. Question 4, it's going to be the same type of questions. We're just not going to have the built-in steps. We have to just kind of recognize we need to ask ourselves the steps on our own without thinking about them too much. So go ahead and click on number 4.